All right, guys. Steven's digging around over there. What are you digging for, Steven?
I really want a 9mm wrench, but I don't know where one of them is at.
All right, why were you looking for a 9mm wrench?
I'm hoping to be able to hold them and not smack my finger at the same time.
What are them? These people have no idea what we're doing.
Sorry about that. DOD plugs for LT base.
L86, yeah.
Yep, L86, 6.2 liter.
Yeah, it's not an LS anymore.
Sorry, whatever.
LT.
They keep changing shit, man. Went from LT to LS to LT.
All right, show us real quick what that DOD plug looks like. All right.
Nice and small.
Yep. Whoop. So it fits in these holes here, which inject oil into the bottom of the valley cover into some thing. I don't know what it is.
So you can go down to 4-cylinder mode. And it's stupid. Hey, what?
One thing you didn't, I put a rag down in here to protect from one of those things falling down in. We are putting a cam in this motor, but we certainly did not want something like that to fall down inside the engine. So
we'll get the cam in as soon as we can get this stupid harmonic bouncer off.
Yeah, the harmonic bouncer. I'm 220 pounds of pure loving, and it wouldn't pull it out. So Steven's using the 9mm wrench there to hold it straight while he gets it started in the hole. So he's not trying to do it with his fingers and then lay it there. So. Woo! All right, look for Project Betty White's playlist to keep up with everything that we've done on this big 2017 GMC truck.